Ted's in now to tell us more about the day ahead. We're going to start with some sun.
That's right. Excavation work probably best done in the morning. You go late in the day, a little bit of rain comes in. But at this point, it might be after the end of the workday. So it may not be a bad day at all overall because we're looking at rain. But it may be after about 4, 5, 6 o'clock this evening before we get there. Right now, a quiet day. A look at Austin right now live with our Lewiston auto camera from Austin looking across Interstate 90. The stars bright in the sky overhead and some moonlight as well. 27 right now. Of course, the full worm moon out there this morning, the March full moon. A light breeze that's been on the way down all night. The wind's diminishing. 17 is the wind chill. 10-mile-per-hour winds. The winds will remain light throughout the day. In fact, even less than 10 miles per hour more often than not. So kind of a nice situation there. 27 in Rochester, Austin, 28 right now. It's 28 in Cresco, Winona, also 28. Skies are clear. Looking at some sunshine for the first half, maybe first 2/3 of the day. We have rain that affected us yesterday, impacted the area, making it especially for a wet situation southeast of Rochester. We had a trace amount officially here in the Med City in the afternoon, but that system has moved down. High pressure has taken over. A clear, quiet, chilly morning. Temperatures again the 20s to start the day, but we're on our way to the low 40s. As more warmth comes in, more of a southerly breeze, a storm system from the west. Yes, is bringing some snow as it works its way across the Dakotas, but at this point, mostly rain for us before we transition to some possibly very light snow during the late evening hours. But late day rain, maybe a little snow by late this evening. Another dose of rain on Thursday, and the weekend cooler with maybe a little rain-snow mixture. That's a possibility still on Saturday. Pretty minor system as it stands right now, though. Looking at that same potential today, rain, and then we see a little snow mixing in at times. That'll be coming in the futurecast after about 4 or 5 o'clock this evening. Going into the late evening hours after about 9 or 10 o'clock, a little snow may mix in. Futurecast right now looking at mostly rain, but temperatures just warm enough to keep most of it liquid, but there is a chance that some of it may transition to some very light grassy accumulation, especially north of I-90 for the late evening hours. 26 the morning commute. In the meantime, a light breeze, plenty of chilly sunshine. A seasonably cool start to the day. It's typical numbers for this time of the year. 20s on the map. On the way to the low 40s later on, with only a hint of a breeze. In fact, diminishing winds throughout the day, turning more to the south. Clouds do thicken, though, for the afternoon ahead of that rain. 12 right now in Warroad, 12 degrees in Fargo, 20 in St. Cloud, Rochester 27, southward even warmer, Oskaloosa 33 and 32 in Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin. Weather Almanac. Average numbers this time of the year for high, it's 37, the average low 22. So yesterday we were very typical for this time of the year overall, though the afternoon was a little colder than that as we had that cold air coming in behind that front. But 22, typical morning low, a little colder than even we are today. But high pressure dominates the situation, at least to start the day. Plenty of sunshine and futurecast, but here come the clouds. But late in the afternoon, after about 4 or 5 o'clock, we start seeing at least a few spotty rain showers. Better chance of rain for the late evening. We see a transition and maybe a little snow on the north side of that system. This futurecast is trying to push a lot of that activity south, but as it stands right now, at least we'll have a chance to be grazed by some of that system. And then sunshine tomorrow, a light breeze, daytime temperatures in the mid-40s. We do have a cold front that will generate some more gusty winds. I see those coming out of the south ahead of that system on Thursday, and then more of a northwesterly breeze in the afternoon with periods of rain and temperatures on Thursday, still in the 40s. The weekend, still unsettled rain and snow shower chances as we look ahead at that on Futurecast. As far as snow goes, looking ahead at what we might see tonight, possibility of maybe just a little coating, a trace to maybe a 1/4 inch, generally north of Rochester on the map as it stands right now. So just a little coating at a few spots, melting pretty quickly tomorrow. So we'll be well into the 40s again for Wednesday and Thursday. Weekend does look a little chilly with 30s to low 40s, and that looks like it'll be something that carries into next week as well. 42 in Rochester today, Austin 44, Decorah 47. Sunshine, but clouds increase. Rain late in the day with a light breeze turning more to the south. Tonight, 31, a light breeze, less than ½ an inch of snowfall, generally north of Rochester. Rain and snow showers. The 7-day forecast, a little bit of rain early Thursday. Weekend looking a little unsettled on Saturday with rain and snow shower chances, kind of a small possibility there, and more of that next week. So kind of an unsettled pattern, but no huge systems necessarily on the horizon.
Something we can be thankful for this morning.
We're grateful for that, but typical March weather really all around, 30s and 40s and all that.